Hi guys, it's Laura. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. So I thought it would be a lot of fun to film a lookbook for you guys with some of the things that I have created here on this channel in the past few years. So today I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite summer dresses and I will link all the tutorials down below. So if that's something you're interested in, then please keep watching. Let's start with this gorgeous dark green Hynek dress. It was actually my last year's Marilyn Monroe costume for Halloween, but I dyed it later this dark green and the color turned out so beautiful. That's one of my favorite colors ever, and I always feel so balanced in this shade of green. Next, my cold shoulder dress I made not so long ago. I love the combination of a printed fabric with just one single color, and this green, it feels so fresh and warm and it screams summer for me. Now my shirt dress. I only filmed how I hemmed the sleeves and the bottom edge, but I will film a tutorial for this type of dresses soon, so stay tuned. And dresses like that make me feel always kind of powerful. It's probably because of the uniform vibe. I kind of feel like I'm in charge. Well, I wish. What would summer be without this cute dress with an anchor print? I wanted to break the typical white and blue that is usually being used for maritime theme dresses. So I added the red and I feel like it gave the dress a little bit more life. I was recently wearing it in one of my videos on my German channel and someone actually said I look like the 4th of July. And I kind of have to agree, but I love it. This is a dress that I didn't make myself, but I embellished it with the chain details. I usually wear this with a studded belt and petticoats, just like in these clips, and the dress makes me feel sassy. This Maxi Dress has basically the same effect on me. Whenever I'm wearing it, I feel sassy. I personally love the subtle sugar skull print that you would notice immediately and the combination of jersey with the mesh material. This dress is basically the same pattern, just like the previous dress, but I made it obviously of just plain black jersey. I enjoy simple designs like that. They can be so versatile. Depending on your mood, you can always dress it down or up, play with some accessories. It's just so much fun. And last but not least, even though it's technically not a dress, my red strappy top and my faux suede skirt. Another two pieces I'm enjoying so much together. Even though I would usually not necessarily combine red and brown together, I feel like these two pieces in combination with the silver belt with turquoise stones are giving me some serious summer vibes. So that's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's lookbook. I would definitely love to film more of these videos in future if you're interested, so let me know in the comments. And if you ended up liking today's video, don't forget to give the video a thumb up because that really helps my channel. You can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and as usual, there's a lot of stuff listed and linked down below that might be interesting or helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'm looking forward to seeing you with my next video. Bye!